माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम थोड़ा सा प्रोसीड करते हैं मज़ीद. दैट इज़ अनकंट्रोल्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन, कंट्रोल्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन. What is this one? When the observation take place in natural conditions, that is the uncontrolled, or where there is a controlled observation. So when the observation take place according to pre-arranged plans with experimental procedure, when it is controlled observation generally done in laboratory under control conditions. I hope so. Okay, you have got this understanding. Now the next one is we have to mention, ladies and gentlemen, about the advantage of observation. So you can consider such advantages are there. It produces large quantities of data. All data obtained from observation are usable. So the observation technique can be stopped or begun at any time. There is a relative, this is inexpensive one. It means in comparison with surveys like interviews or the questionnaires, इसकी कॉस्ट कम होती है. डिसएडवांटेज भी हैं इसके, ज़ाहिर बात है किसी भी चीज़ के एडवांटेज होंगे तो डिसएडवांटेज भी होंगे. Interviewing selected subjects may provide more information economically than waiting for the spontaneous occurrence of the situation. It is expensive method, limited informations, so extensive training is needed. Mean कि जिससे के ज़रिए से ऑब्जर्वर के ज़रिए से आपने उसकी अपनी ट्रेनिंग बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Now the next one is, after this one there is a interview method is there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this sort of the method जिसमें हम orally लोगों को, तो interview basically क्या चीज़ हो सकती है? That is the interview method of collecting data involves presentation of oral verbal stimuli and reply in terms of oral verbal responses. तो दूसरे लफ्ज़ों में आप औरल ही सेंस में आप जो इंक्वायर करना होता है वो लोगों से पूछते हैं और वो भी औरल सेंस में ही उसका जवाब देते हैं. कीप इन माइंड, इंटरव्यू ये इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल हो सकता है, इट मे बी ग्रुप टू ग्रुप, इट मे बी इंडिविजुअल टू ग्रुप and sort of thing. Interviewer asks questions which are aimed to get information required for study to respondent. So now there are naturally हमने इंटरव्यू को सक्सेसफुल करना है तो steps for an effective interview, that is these steps must have to be considered. Prepare interview schedules, so select subjects, key respondent, conduct the interview or analyze and interpret data collected from interview. Now अगेन इसकी क्लासिफिकेशन हम कर सकते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर्ड इंटरव्यू, अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड इंटरव्यूज, फोकस्ड इंटरव्यूज, दैट इज द क्लिनिकल इंटरव्यूज, सो ग्रुप इंटरव्यूज, सो क्वालिटेटिव एंड क्वांटिटेटिव इंटरव्यू माइट बी देयर, सो इंडिविजुअल इंटरव्यूज एंड सिलेक्शन इंटरव्यूज. So I hope so okay you will be able to get this sort of basic understanding. Now, the advantage, my dear students, you can see more information at greater depth can be obtained. Resistance may be overcome by a skilled interviewer, so personal information can be obtained. So such sort of advantages are there. There is some drawbacks of the interview, and that is disadvantages. It is an expensive method. Interviewer biases. This is one of the major drawback might be there, because interviewer if is tilted और वो खुद अगर intentionally clear नहीं है तो might be there would be a same as the case respondent biases might be time consuming is one of the major issues. So these sort of points are attached with the interviews. Now coming to the questionnaires, because another method in which we design a questionnaire. तो you know last time हमने वो जो measurement scaling के अंदर हमने बात की थी, हमने कहा था कि जो questionnaire basically is a instrument which is used to collect a data, और वो क्या होना चाहिए? Any questionnaire should be valid, should be reliable, should be sensitive one. Anyhow, questionnaire is what? A questionnaire is sent by post or by mail to the person concerned with a request to answer the questions and return the questionnaire. A questionnaire consists of number of questions printed in a definite order on a form. So again, for making successful steps for an effective questionnaire is prepare questions, select your respondent, administer the questionnaires, so tabulate data collected and analyze and interpret data collected. Now there is a sort of some disadvantages. It is a time consuming. The respondent need to be educated and cooperative. This method is slow. Possibility of the unclear. Like replies. These are sort of disadvantage. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the summary. The 5 product level model may have to show different level of need that customer have a product one, and so this is the uh, sort of now the in this sort of things, once the question might be open-ended questions, it might be close-ended or fixed alternative questions. So open-ended are such sort of question जिसमें एक रिस्पोंडेंट अपनी फ्री जो कुछ कहना चाहता है वो कैन रिप्लाई, और क्लोज एंडेड में जिस तरह एमसीक्यूज होते हैं, फिक्स्ड अल्टरनेट क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, और आप उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस में से वो क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हैं, और उनकी आगे कई टाइप्स हैं, डायक्टोमस क्वेश्चंस हैं, मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. सो सच इज़ अब इसेंशियल ऑफ ए गुड क्वेश्चनियर क्या होना चाहिए कि क्वेश्चनियर शुड बी शॉर्ट, should be short and simple, follow a sequence of questions from easy to difficult one, technical terms should be avoided, should provide adequate space for answer in questionnaire, so direction regarding the filtering of the questionnaire should be given, so and sequence must be clear one. So there is advantage. It's a low cost even when the universe is large and is widespread, free from interviewable biases. Respondents have adequate time to think through the answer. So respondents who are not easily approachable can also be reached conveniently. Large sample can be used. So these are the points which we have discussed. I hope so, okay, ladies and gentlemen, these different methods which are used to collect the data. So after attending this one, you will be able to know how the data can be collected. So these are the points which we have mentioned. I hope so, okay, you will be able to know, to comprehend कि जी हम डाटा को थ्रू ऑब्जर्वेशन, थ्रू पर्टिकुलरली इंटरव्यू, थ्रू पर्टिकुलरली क्वेश्चनियर हम इसको कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं. सो आप इसको आई होप सो कि पढ़ें, देखें, रीड आउट करें. कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा तो यू आर सपोज टू आस्क, एंड थैंक यू फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन, फॉर अटेंडिंग. टेक इट एज अ सीरियस वन, और इसको आप लोग देखिएगा. ओके, अपनी केयर कीजिए और अपनी माशरे की केयर कीजिए. थैंक यू. खुदा हाफिज़.